We are pleased to show you the 2021 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, LED headlights, rear window defroster, technology package, low tire pressure warning. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.